President of UN General Assembly, Her Excellency Amina Mohammed, Deputy Secretary General of the Union, His Excellency Eric Adams, Mayor of New York, and my dear friends from all over the world. Namaskar. Friends, on this fine morning, we are gathered here at the United Nations, at the meeting point of entire humanity. In this wonderful city of New York, I know many of you have come here from far away. Most of you have woken up before sunrise and made the effort to come here. I am delighted to see you all, and I thank you all for coming. Friends, I am told that almost every nationality is represented here today. And what an amazing cause to bring us all together, yoga. Yoga means to unite. So your coming together is an expression of another form of yoga. I remember about 9 years ago, right here at the UN, I had the honor to propose celebrating the International Day of Yoga on 21st June. It was wonderful to see the entire world come together to support the idea back then. I just paid respect to the brave UN peacekeepers. In 2015, I had called for a new memorial to be built at the UN in their memory. And last week, the whole world joined hands with India to make this reality soon. As the largest troop contributing nation, we are grateful to all nations for their expression of support to this noble cause. Last year, the entire world came together to support India's proposal to celebrate 2023 as the International Year of Millets. Millets are a superfood. They promote holistic health and are good for environment too. And today, it is wonderful to see the entire world come together again for yoga. Friends, yoga comes from India, and it is a very old tradition. But like all ancient Indian traditions, it is also living and dynamic. Yoga is free from copyright, free from patents, and free from royalty payments. Yoga is adaptable to your age, gender, and fitness level. Yoga is portable. You can do it at home or at work or in transit. Yoga is flexible. You can practice it alone or in a group, learn from a teacher or be self-taught. Yoga is unifying. It is for everyone, for all ethnicities, for all faiths, and for all cultures. Yoga is truly universal. Friends, when we do yoga, we feel physically fit, mentally calm, and emotionally content. But it is not just about doing exercise on a mat. Yoga is a way of life, a holistic approach to health and well-being, a way to mindfulness in thoughts and actions, a way to live in harmony with self, with others, and with nature. I am delighted that many of you are working on scientifically validating different aspects of yoga. Indeed, this is the way. Friends, I know you are all keen to get started. Well, so am I. I want to thank the United Nations for hosting us here today. I am grateful to the mayor and the city of New York for all their help and support in making this event success. And most of all, want to thank you all once again for being here today. Let us use the power of yoga not only to be healthy, happy, but also to be kind to ourselves and to each other. Let us use the power of yoga to build bridges of friendship, a peaceful world, and a cleaner, greener, and sustainable future. Let us join hands together to realize the goal of one earth, one family, one future. I conclude with a wish. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya. May everyone be happy. May everyone be healthy. Thank you.
Thank you, Prime Minister Modi ji, for conveying.
तो यूएन मुख्यालय से आप प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को सुन रहे थे। सबसे पहले प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने योग कार्यक्रम में आए लोगों का धन्यवाद किया और पीएम ने कहा योग कार्यक्रम में दुनिया के सभी देशों के प्रतिनिधि मौजूद हैं। योग का मतलब एकता है, जिंदगी का जरिया है योग। योग भारत से आया है और ये पुरानी परंपरा है। तो यूएन मुख्यालय से आप प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को सुन रहे थे। पूरे विश्व को योग दिवस की बधाई भी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने दी है। योग का मतलब यूनाइटेड है, ये बात भी प्रधानमंत्री की तरफ से कही गई और कहा कि योग भारत से आया है, ये पुरानी परंपरा है, जिंदगी का जरिया है योग। योग का मतलब एकता है, ये बात प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की तरफ से कही गई। और यूएन मुख्यालय में पहुंचने के बाद सबसे पहले प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने महात्मा गांधी को श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित की और पहली बार योग दिवस पर विदेश में है प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी। और इस दौरान 180 देशों के प्रतिनिधि भी शामिल हैं और लगातार हम आपको तस्वीरें दिखा रहे हैं यूएन मुख्यालय से। पूरे विश्व को योग दिवस की बधाई खुद प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की तरफ से दी गई है। कहा कि योग का मतलब यूनाइटेड है और योग जिंदगी जीने का एक जरिया है। आप तस्वीरें देख सकते हैं प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की। 9 साल में पूरी दुनिया योग से जुड़ी है, ये बात भी प्रधानमंत्री की तरफ से कही गई है। और यूएन मुख्यालय में योग दिवस कार्यक्रम का आयोजन हुआ है और इस आयोजन को खुद लीड कर रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी।